Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Bluehost Review. Is it worth it? Bluehost continues to be a beginner-friendly go-to for WordPress hosting, now enhanced with AI tools, Oracle Cloud servers like the Wondersuite. It's widely used for shared, VPS, and dedicated hosting, offering a simplified dashboard, one-click WordPress installs, guided setup, and WooCommerce-ready stores. The AI-powered Wondersuite provides website building, onboarding wizards, and e-commerce tools at no extra cost, while a 99.9% uptime backed by CDN and Oracle servers ensures reliable performance. Support is available 24/7 via live chat and phone with a 30-day money-back guarantee. However, renewal pricing can be steep. Add-on upsells frequent, and storage or backup options limited unless paid extra. Performance is decent, but not class-leading, and some users report inconsistent support and occasional account issues. Overall, Bluehost remains a solid choice for beginners, bloggers, and small business owners seeking ease of use and AI-guided site creation. But be mindful of cost increases, upsells, and backup limitations. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.